If your Roomba's sitting quietly instead of cleaning, it might just need a little power boost. Let's fix that. Together. First, check the basics. Is your Roomba properly seated on its charging dock? Make sure the contacts on both the robot and the dock are clean. A quick wipe with a dry cloth can work wonders. Next, verify your power source. Is the outlet working? Try plugging in another device to confirm. If it's fine, move on to the charging dock. Look for any loose cables or obvious damage. Still, no luck. Try a soft reset. For most Roomba models, hold down the clean button for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep. Then, place it back on the dock and watch for the charging light. If you've tried all of this, and your Roomba still won't charge, the battery may need replacing, especially if it's older. Check your model's manual or the manufacturer's website for easy battery swap instructions. That's it. A few simple checks can get your Roomba running again. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.